Okay. Now let us see how we write the formulas regarding to alkanes, alkenes, alkyne one by one. Okay. Let us see. Alkanes general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes CnH2n. Alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Let us see formula its name. Generally, alkanes or alkenes or alkynes generally consisting of so many number of carbon atoms. Depending upon their consisting of carbon atoms, we called as a different name. Suppose for example, one number of carbon containing compound is generally called as meth. Okay, that's why this is generally termed as meth. Either it is alkane, that is called as meth plus N, methane. Okay, suppose for example, two number of carbons containing compounds, that is called as eth. This is root word ma. This is root word is meth. One number of carbons containing compound is meth. Two number of carbons eth. Three number of carbons prop. Four number of carbons but. Five number of carbons pent. Six number of carbons hex. Seven number of carbons hept. Eight number of carbon atoms oct. OCT. Nine number of carbons non. 10 number of carbons deca. Dec. Likewise, 100 number of carbons containing hect. 1000 number of carbons killian. Okay, likewise. Suppose for example, how we write the formulas by using of this alkanes formula, alkene formula, alkane formula. Let us see one by one. Suppose for example, how we write alkane formula which consisting of one carbon. Substitute them. Suppose for example here n is equals to number of carbons consisting. Suppose for example, what is the alkane formula which has one carbon? Suppose for example C. Here number of carbons is equals to 1. Substitute them 1. Here H. Simply write. Here 2. Here n is equals to how many number of carbons it has? 1. That's why 2 into 1. N is equals to simply write this number. Okay. Here 1 number of carbons is there. That's why hydrogen simply write. Next 2 into n. N number is equals to 1 plus 2. That's why this is simply written as C1. Okay. No need to write 1. C H 2 into 1 2 2 plus 2 4 CH4. That is a writing method of formula by using of this general formula. Okay, this is called as meth. One number of carbons. This is belongs to methane alkane. That's why it is called as methane. It is called as methane. Okay, generally the root word. The number of carbons which consisting of one carbon, that is called as meth. Two carbons eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. You should add them. Alkanes en, alkenes en, alkynes ein. Generally alkanes are started from one carbon atom, but alkenes and alkynes are started from two carbon atoms. This is the okay. Generally that's why alkenes and alkyne one carbon atom is not possible. Okay, this is the alkane regarding to the methane. CH4. Simply I can tell one shortcut. Okay, here n. Simply double them then plus 2. That's why here how many carbons is there? 1. Double them the number of hydrogen atoms and add them plus 2. 1 is double then 2 plus 2 you get 4. CH4 is the methane. Suppose for example 2 number of carbons C2. Simply double the carbon atoms and add plus 2. Double them C2. 2. By doubling of 2 you get 4. 4 plus 2 6. C2H6 is the formula of ethane. Why? Because it is a series of alkane series. That's why you should write only N. Ethane, methane, ethane, propane, butane, like that. Okay, ethane. Suppose for example 3 carbons atom, 3 carbons C3. Simply double them the number of hydrogen atoms, then add plus 2. 3 double them 6. 6 plus 2 8. C3H8 is the formula of propane. Why? Because it belongs to alkane series, propane. Next butane C4. Double them and then add plus 2. Double them 8. 8 plus 2 10. This is called as butane. Next what is pentane? C5. Double them plus 2. C5H12, that is pentane. Next, what about 6 carbons? C6H14. Why? Because simply double them, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Hexane. Next, 7. C7H16. 7 double them, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. This is heptane. Next, octane. C8H. Double them, add plus 2. H18. This is called as octane. Next, what about nonane? C9H20. This is nonane. Next, what about decane? C10H20 plus 2. Double them, then add plus 2. This is called as decane. Okay. This is the writing of alkanes formula. Next, let us see alkenes and alkanes. Alkenes and alkanes are started from 2 number of carbons. That's why you should leave the first carbon atom. Next, second. Here, simply here in this alkanes formula, double them, then plus 2. Here only simply double them, alkenes. That's why, suppose for example, formula writing C2H. How many carbons is there? 2 na? Simply double them, H4. Here, 1 carbon atom consisting of alkenes and 1 carbon atom consisting of alkanes are not possible. Why? Because here one basic fundamental rule involved. Here in between carbon and carbon one pi bond is there. That's why 1 carbon consisting of compound there is no holding of double bond. Okay, that's why simply the carbon consisting of 1 bond it must and should be has only single bonds only. That should be methane. This is the methane formula. Okay. Likewise, 1 carbon consisting alkenes and alkanes are not possible. It is impossible to return. That's why. Okay. C2H4. Simply double them. Okay. C2H4. This is called as, what is the name? The root word indicates 2 number of carbons it consisting of eth. Next, it is belongs to ene series. Alkene series. Now that's why you should write ene. Ethene. Instead of writing ethane, you should write ethene. Next, what about propene? C3H6. This is called as propene. Next, butene. C4H8. Butene. Next, pentene. C5H10. Pentene. Next, what about hexane? C6H12. Hexane. Next, what about heptane? C7H14. Heptane. Next, what about octane? C8H16. Octane. Next, what about nonene? C9H18. Nonene. Next, what about decene? C10H20. This is decene. Here, all the alkanes is consisting of ene. Here, all the alkenes is consisting of ene. Okay, this is the important point. Next, in the same way, alkynes formula CnH2n minus 2. That indicates here how many number of carbon atoms is there. Simply double them, then subtract from this 2n. That's why simply double them, then minus 2. Suppose for example, 2 number of carbons alkyne name C2. What is the double number of C2? H4. C2, H4. Generally H4 come. But 4 minus 2, you get C2H2. This is the 2 number of carbons containing alkyne. 2 number of carbons containing alkyne according to the alkynes formula CnH2n minus 2. Here how many number of carbons is there? Simply double them, then remove minus 2. Here 2 number of carbons. Why? Because 1 carbon consisting of alkynes are not possible. That's why we should start from 2 number of carbons. C2, double them, 4. 4 minus 2, C2H2. This is the name is eth. Eth is same. Why? Because 2 number of carbons according to root word. Okay. Ethyne. Ethyne formula. Next, what about propyne, butane? Okay, like that. C3. Simply double them, then subtract minus 2. C3H4. This is called as propyne. Next, C4H6. Simply double them, then minus 2. Butane. Next, pentane. C5H8 pentyne. Next, this is hexyne. You should consider ine. Why? Because it belongs to alkyne series. C7H12, double then -2. Heptyne, octyne, sorry, 14. Nonine, decyne. Okay, this is the writing method of alkanes by using of their general formulas.